So, I'm gonna be talking while this video right here happens. You know, normal. So let's start the video. And start. Video. Let's go. My peg was stuck. I had just fallen a little bit, maybe. I got my flashlight on the front fender. My headlight. That's what it does. It's my headlight. Hey, if it works, it works. Am I right? This is, I rode my snowmobile through here. It's wildflowers mostly. I can ride through here where I rode the snowmobile. It's basically like a path. It's big enough because it got laid down for the snowmobile, and I've only got 2 wheels instead of 3. Like, well, they're not wheels, I guess. It don't matter. I'm muddy. And the fun thing about these CRF 70s, Hondas at least, I'm not really sure about any other ones, the CRF 50s and 70s, no clutch, semi-automatic, and only 3 gears. And it's neutrals all the way down, so then to go first you pull it up, second you pull it up, and third you pull it up. Okay, a little shaky there. Yeah, making sure my camera didn't fall off. Yeah, this is just kind of like another day on the farm for me, kind of. So, you know, why not video it? And I was cold during this. It was pretty cold out. It got warmer, but it was cold this morning while I was riding. Right now I'm going to another snowmobile trail. You know, before I do anything else, I guess. It's a little bumpy some places, I guess. And like you try making one of these videos without moving your head 1/4 of an inch, so it's not bumpy. Like, it's hard, trust me. So, you know, you just gotta kind of deal with it, I guess. It's bumpy right here, but I will punch you in a second. And for some reason it looks really fast on screen. I mean, it is fast, but it looks faster. Like, this ain't, well, this is gonna be close to full. Yeah, but I'm still speeding up. I can hear it, see it. Yeah, I'm moving now. And I am going fast, but not as fast as it looks. Close, very close. I'm probably going like 40 at the very most, probably ish. You can see my shadow. There's a camera on my head. Punch it. So then, yeah, the shifting is really easy. So I got those 3 gears, 1, 2, and 3 in neutral, I guess, so 4. But 4th gear, it's neutral, so it doesn't matter. And there, I just cut the video a little bit. There's a long strip of grass there, I guess. It's even longer. I got on at the halfway point, and still it was long. But yeah, it's super long. I might have jumped it there, but more like just a little wheelie. This is actually steeper than it looks. A little wheelie there. I definitely jumped it. I definitely got a little airtime there. Not much at all, but I definitely did. Yeah, I'm going through camp right now. My grandpa's like, it's his spot down in the woods. That's where I had my birthday party. Check out the video. This is my party place, and I'll tell you about it. Yeah, right to our right is the junk / Treasure Island. The junk. Yeah, I checked that out in the video exploring Treasure Island. It's literally Treasure Island. You can find anything you need pretty much in there. Great. There's a log in my way, so I figured I'd just go around it, right? Well, I didn't see that stump. Just about got stuck. Doing a little off-roading. Ah. There's some really big, like, it's like a ditch almost. Like two that go right across from each other. It's like a ditch. And then there is a path here. It's very, you can't really see it. But, like, if you look, there's, like, just a clearing in the trees you can see. Where it's a little beaten down from me riding it. Not too much though. This is a little off-roading now. Excuse me. I was kind of off-roading, halfway. Now I'm off-roading. Right here, this is not a path. I use it as a path, but it never was. I had to downshift real quick, but I was too close to just do it, so I had to stop. Again, no clutch, it's really easy. Now I'm definitely off-roading. Log. There is a front brake, which could be mistaken for the clutch, I guess. And then you wouldn't just say there isn't no front brake, but there's no clutch, I swear. It's crazy. Super easy, super good starter bike. I can run a clutch. I just don't have a bike I can run it on. This is a really big hill right here. And apparently I just let loose right there. Right. This is a pretty long, this is called the lane. Basically the whole way it's just a lane. It's the main road on the farm, I guess. Punched it through here. Yeah, nice straight up here. Corner right here. Bunch of ruts. Probably should have went around them. But whatever. That's the dirt barn, that red barn right there, the dirt barn. That's where I fill all of our pots at Farmer's Garden. To the left is the main greenhouse of Farmer's Garden. And that bucket had a bunch of golf balls in it. Don't hit that. That wouldn't be exactly easy. So this bridge I'm going over, that one right there. Okay, so there would be like a really big ditch right there. Like really deep ditch, but me and my 5-year-old cousin put in like a tube, just this big around, you know, just a little one, for the summer, and then filled it up, covered it with dirt, and so I can ride over it really easily. And this is one of my big riding piles. It's real fun. Can't get enough speed to jump it though. Yeah, I almost felt the side right then, but that was fine. And then that right there is a lot steeper than what it looks like on camera. Pop myself a wheelie. Oh yeah. You can see the shadow. That was definitely a big wheelie. go back through here. Oh, jumped it. Oh boy, okay. Did a wheelie there. Alright, now go up it. Oh yeah. Oh god, again, I almost got stuck spinning a lot. Those are some more of our greenhouses. That's another one of my climb piles right in front of us, except I climb it. It wasn't made for me to climb. There's the thing again. It wasn't made for me to climb. It was actually made for all our plants and dirt that we don't need. You know, it's formed pretty big over the years, but I take advantage of huge piles that I see and go, RAP!